Hello everyone, today we have this Tata Harrier which is coming for our 10H Graphene coating. So before we apply the coating, as a first step we will have to do all this decontamination, removing all the saltwater marks and also restore these plastics. So customer requests us to replace these chrome beadings all over the car which is worn out with age. We are also going to be applying the CARPRO UVX70, the immortal Sunfilm, which is the nano ceramic top end film. Plus all these plastics are going to be restored. All these chrome beadings are also going to be replaced with fresh and shiny new ones.
Much later.
So we have completed the full graphene coating and we have also done a cleanup and removed all the saltwater deposits which was there in the grill. We have also polished it, and in this grill as well we have also applied a protectant. The front glass now has the CARPRO Immortal UVX70, the nano ceramic top end film, which also has anti-glare effect. All these plastics have been restored and protected now to keep it looking black. The chrome beadings have been replaced. The wheels have also been coated. So now the car is shining and also protected. So if you need a graphene coating to restore the looks of your car, please do get in touch with us.